I started photography as a hobby photographer almost 15 years ago. I'm a professional architectural photographer, but at the same time I do landscape photography. I have passion for landscape photography, and I conduct many workshops globally in the region related to landscape and cityscape photography. I'm combining the overland with photography. I'm not going to call myself as an overlander because I think overlander is that someone who can spend 2, 3, 4 years on the road traveling and simply relying on pure camping for 2, 3 years by crossing multiple countries. Logistically, you're very close to your composition. You don't miss the sunrise and sunset, so you don't need to drive that far, especially at critical moment where you have a beautiful light or beautiful clouds. So for me, this is unique about this combination of overland and landscape photography. We need to make sure that we have enough batteries, a drone, cameras on the road, 2-3 hours charging. I hope guys we are ready for that. I like driving, I like scouting more areas, discovering different parts of the country. We have a tire puncture. Yeah, it was like exploded, boom, like that. Recently I noticed that with the overland business, I am reaching a certain level that, yes, this is real adventure. It was a good one. We are in solitaire, not somewhere else. Yeah. I have to focus on the driving. I have to set my routes. I have to work with the GPS. I have to scout. I have to camp. I have to find a spot before getting dark. I have to light my fire. I have to prepare my food. So this is everything as an adventure for me. And the most important also, me enjoying doing that. So if I don't see a beautiful weather, so that's not mean that I'm not gonna shoot. In fact, I enjoy more shooting because I like being outside in nature. I did a few countries in my life. I have my own car, which is I modified the car especially for long trips, and especially to be able to do my own workshops by taking people with me. When I'm in a very remote place where there's no network, no connection, I'm relying on myself as a overlander / photographer. We have so many potential at night. We need to be prepared in terms of safety, location, in terms of light, in terms of composition. There are so many things involved to be able to capture those great images.